Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. We are discussing our first chapter, real number. In that today we are discussing our last problem of this unit. In that fifth one, sixth one, seventh, and eighth. These four problems are very important for 4 marks. Okay, you have to learn, you have to practice each and every step of these four problems because it is very important. Ninth one is not important. No need to discuss the ninth one problem also, but we are discussing here ninth one question, but ninth one is not important, but fifth to eighth it is very important question. Just you have to practice each and every step of this problems. Okay, let's see the ninth one question is. First one, log to rational or irrational, justify your answer. We have to find the whether log 2 is rational or irrational, and we have to give the reason of that statement. Okay, let's see the answer. Here your answer ma, let log 2, we have to find the log 2 now. Just log 2 to the base. I am taking the base as 10 is equals to x. The whole term will be x. Okay, it is a logarithm. We are converting into the exponential form. Just power, we have to take the power here and 2 here because we need to convert. It is a logarithmic form, here exponential form. Here the 2, we need to find the x value now, because we cannot change the 2 in terms of 10. If you here we have 2 now, we cannot change the 2 because if you have 10 power 1, what is the value of 10 power 1? 10 only. If you have 10 power 2, the value will be 100. We cannot change the 2, we cannot change the value in terms of 10. Okay, in terms of 10, because the 2 cannot be written as 10 to the power of x. Okay, so I can say now the 2 cannot be changed in terms of 10. For any of x, root 2 is irrational. Okay, means that our conclusion of this expression is log 2 is irrational. Okay, because we cannot change the 2 in terms of 10, because 10 is way too small. That's why we cannot change the expression in terms of 10. Okay, let's move on the second one problem. What is the log 10 log 100, rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Let's see. We have to check whether the log 10 log 100 is rational or irrational. Okay, let's see. Here log 10 is rational or irrational. We have to consider, we have to find out. Let's see, I am taking let log 10 log 100 to the base a, base 10. I am just taking the base. I am considering base 10. Okay, the whole value should be x. I am taking the whole value should be as x. Okay, here the log 100, in place of 100 we are changing in 10 square, because 10 tens are 100 now, 10 tens are 100, because in place of 10, in place of 100 I am taking the 10 square, because 10 tens are 100, 10 into 10 100. Okay, for LHS I am using this log. Okay, log x to the power to the base a is equals to m into log x to the base a. Okay, just I am just apply this law on LHS. Here in place of m we have 2 now, in place of x we have 10, in place of a we have 2. Where m is there, just m we have to put before the log, means 10, 2 we have to put the before the log. Okay, just 2 log 10 to the base 10 is equals to x. Okay, log 10 to the base 10, the log 10 to the base 10 value should be 1. Okay, log 10 to the base 10 value should be 1, because log a to the base a value is 1 now. That's why I am writing 1. 2 ones are 2, x is equals to 2. S is equal to 2. 2 is a rational or irrational? 2 is a rational, means that 2, at last we get offless simplification, x value should be 2, means that our expression log 100 also be rational. Okay, x is equals to rational. Justify your answer means this is your justification, this is your reason. Okay, by this We are getting the first one as a irrational and second one is rational. Means by this we are completing our first chapter. What is a rational real number? Okay, real number chapter is completed. Let's move on the our second chapter. What is that? Sets. Okay, let's see. Our second chapter is set. Okay, what is meant by set? The set is nothing but it is denoted by like that. Okay, it is set. Set, in the set we have to write a number of terms, whatever numbers in there we can say the terms. Okay, elements, terms, elements, you can say any number. If you have 1 2 3 means that this is the elements of this set. Okay, first we need to understand the what is set. Set is nothing but a well defined collection of object or idea is known as set. Okay, let's see the introduction of our chapter. Introduction. The well defined collection of object or ideas is known as set. Okay, the set of vowels a I o u. Okay, the vowels mean it in English 26 alphabets is there. In that five vowels mean a e I o u. This numbers is called, this alphabets is called vowels. Okay, when we return, when we these vowels, when we add, when we write in a set, we call the set of vowels. Okay, these vowels when we add, when we write in the set, what we call the set of vowels it call. Okay, just whatever numbers we are writing in the set, that is called set of that numbers. Okay, how many types of number, how many types of set we have? Let's see. The null empty set is null set is there, finite set is infinite set, and equal set also there. Okay, one by one we need to understand the what is set and how many types of sets. Okay, first type of set is empty or null set. Okay, a set which does not contain any any element is called as empty set. Okay, empty set, what is meant by empty set? In the set we don't have any element. Okay, whatever here a is element, b is element, I is element, o is element, u is element. Whatever terms, whatever numbers is there that in the set, that means that that element, that terms will be called element. Okay, what it called? Element. Whatever terms, whatever numbers is there in the set, that number, that element should, that terms will be called it as element. Okay, element. A e I o u, these are all are als elements. Okay, let's see. A set which does not contain any elements is called as empty set. Okay, it is denoted by this null set. Okay, if you have this sign, this sign means that this called null set. Here it is an empty set. Okay, both are having same meaning. Okay, this if you have, if you heard this symbol means that it is a null set and it is empty set. Okay, empty set means there is no elements in the set. Okay, I hope you understand the single empty set, the set which does not contain any elements. Okay, only not a single element also contain. Okay, zero elements contain means it is a empty and a null set. Let's see on the skeleton singleton set. Okay, second one is singleton set. A set consists of a single element is called singleton set. Okay, if you have only one, can you see the example? This is two are sets now, two are set. How many terms in the set, how many elements in the set? Only one set, one element. Now if you have one element in the set, then the set it called singleton set. Okay, singleton set is nothing but a set which having the only single term. Okay, single term, then the set is called singleton set. Okay, if you don't have the element that in the set means that it is empty. If you have one element in the set, it's called singleton set. Come to the finite. Okay, finite set. For third one is finite set. A set which is possible to count the number of elements of the set is called finite set. Okay. Okay, in the set we have to possible, it have to possible to count. We can possible now, we can easily count the how many numbers of in this set. 1 2 3 4. Okay, means the four terms, four elements in the set, means that the set which is possible to count. Okay, it is possible now, it is possible to count, means that it is a finite set. Okay, finite means we have the uh, limited numbers. Okay, we can say limited terms. Finite means limited numbers is the number, limited numbers we can count, we can possible to count. Okay, means that it is a finite number. Not only the four terms is there, we have the 100 terms also. But 100 also term if you have 100 term, we can count number, we can count, means that the finite terms, the set which possible to count the numbers of element of the set is called finite set. Here 1 2 5 6 is the elements. Okay, it is elements where it is possible to count means gintima. Okay, ginnatina, so you have the count. Okay, count means that it is a finite set. Let's see the last one, infinite set. Infinite set में, okay, is the set whose element cannot be listed. The type of set is called infinite set. Listed is nothing but counted. Okay, listed also we can say countable. Okay, here the 1 2 3 up to so on is there. So on means we don't have any end point, means that we cannot count the numbers. Okay, how many numbers in the set, because in the set also we have so on. Here can you say this symbol will be so on, means that we cannot count the number, how many numbers in this set, means that this set is infinite. Okay, infinite, the set whose element cannot be listed. Okay, cannot be listed means cannot be countable. That type of set is infinite. Okay, if you count, if it is possible to count, it is finite. If it is not possible to count, it is infinite. Okay, let's see the last one, our last what is the equal set? Two set are said to be equal if they have exactly same elements. Okay, if you have the exactly same element, if two sets. Okay, in this set we have to consider two sets. Okay, two set is there. Set A 1 2 3 and set B also 1 2 3. Can you see 1 1 2 2 3 3, means that the two sets are equal. Okay, the element, two sets are equal, and element should also equal or not. Here 1 1 is there, 2 2 is there, 3 3 is there, means that it is a equal set. Okay, if you have the same number of elements, is if you have same number of elements, same type of elements also there. Okay, then the set is called equal set. Okay, how many sets we are learning? The empty set, scale single tone set, finite set, infinite set, and equal set. Okay, this is the introduction. You have to complete your notes till that. Last problem, real number last problem also right, and the introduction of this chapter is right. Okay, in the next class we are going to start our exercise problem. Set chapter is very easy among the all chapters. Just you have to complete the notes till that and submit in the group. Okay, thank you.